Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Welcome to the sacred realm of spirituality, where the eternal dance of existence unfolds before our very eyes. Prepare your heart and mind to embark upon a journey through the mystical corridors of the karmic cycle, a profound concept that holds the key to our soul's evolution. The karmic cycle is a divine tapestry woven with the threads of our actions, intentions, and their consequences. It is the ever-turning wheel of cause and effect, a magnificent symphony that resonates throughout the cosmos. In this cosmic dance, each and every choice we make, every word we utter, and every thought we harbor sends ripples across the universe, shaping our present and weaving the fabric of our future. Imagine the majesty of a garden. Every seed planted, nurtured with love and care, shall one day blossom into a magnificent flower, radiating its beauty for all to behold. Similarly, our actions, driven by intention, sprout seeds within the fertile soil of existence. These seeds, whether benevolent or malevolent, shall eventually bear fruit, mirroring the essence of our deeds. Yet, let us not be shackled by the weight of judgment or fear, for the karmic cycle is not a prison, but rather a catalyst for growth and transformation. It is a divine mirror that reflects our soul's journey, beckoning us to embrace the inherent power within to shape our destiny. Every step upon this sacred path presents an opportunity for self-realization and liberation. By recognizing the profound interconnectedness of all beings, we awaken to the truth that our actions ripple beyond our individual selves, touching the lives of countless souls. Through acts of kindness, compassion, and selflessness, we sow the seeds of joy and harmony, reaping the rewards of inner peace and fulfillment. Moreover, let us delve into the depths of our own being, exploring the recesses of our consciousness. For within the chambers of our soul, we encounter the remnants of past actions, the echoes of forgotten choices. The karmic cycle offers us the chance to reconcile with our past, to learn from our mistakes, and to cultivate a future grounded in wisdom and clarity. It is here, in the sacred embrace of the karmic cycle, that we find solace amidst life's trials and tribulations. For even in the face of adversity, we can draw strength from the knowledge that every challenge is an opportunity for growth and transformation. The wheel turns, and with each revolution, we shed the shackles of our limitations, transcending the boundaries of our existence and soaring towards the heavens of our highest potential. So, let us embrace the beauty of the karmic cycle, for it is a divine gift bestowed upon us, a reminder of our infinite capacity for love, compassion, and self-mastery. As we tread this sacred path, may we walk with grace, conscious of the choices we make, knowing that through our actions, we become the architects of our own destiny. In the grand symphony of life, let us dance to the melodious rhythm of our souls, guided by the wisdom of the karmic cycle, and may our journey be one of enlightenment, love, and eternal bliss. In this realm, numbers hold profound significance, transcending the boundaries of mundane arithmetic and revealing hidden truths about our soul's journey. Karmic debt numbers are a subset of numbers in numerology that carry a particular energetic weight, representing unresolved lessons or challenges from past actions or lifetimes. They serve as powerful signposts, guiding us towards self-awareness, growth, and spiritual evolution. There are 4 primary karmic debt numbers: 13, 14, 16, and 19. Each number carries its own unique vibration and offers a distinct lesson to be learned. Allow me to shed some light upon these numbers and their associated meanings. The karmic debt of 13. The number 13 symbolizes transformation, upheaval, and unexpected shifts. It serves as a reminder to embrace change fearlessly and release old patterns that no longer serve us. By harnessing the power of adaptability and resilience, we can transcend the challenges represented by this number and emerge stronger, wiser, and more aligned with our divine purpose. The karmic debt of 14. The number 14 signifies the need for balance and integrity. It urges us to examine our actions and intentions, ensuring they are rooted in authenticity and ethical conduct. This number calls for us to cultivate a harmonious relationship with ourselves and others, fostering trust, fairness, and cooperation. By embodying integrity, we can heal past imbalances and forge a path of righteousness. The karmic debt of 16. The number 16 carries the weight of spiritual growth and personal responsibility. It invites us to confront our ego-driven desires and surrender to a higher calling. This number challenges us to embrace humility, wisdom, and selflessness. By transcending the ego and aligning with our soul's purpose, we can dissolve the karmic debts associated with this number and step into a state of divine service. The karmic debt of 19. The number 19 symbolizes self-awareness, transformation, and the pursuit of higher knowledge. It encourages us to embark upon a journey of self-discovery, exploring our deepest truths and shedding the layers of illusion. This number invites us to embrace our innate wisdom, embrace our inner teacher, and cultivate a path of spiritual enlightenment. If you want to learn more about numerology, spiritual growth, and self-improvement, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Remember that karmic debt numbers are not to be feared but embraced as opportunities for growth and transcendence. They provide us with valuable insights into the areas of our lives where we need to focus our attention and inner work. By heeding the lessons embedded within these numbers and consciously navigating the challenges they present, we can liberate ourselves from the shackles of past actions, healing our souls, and ascending to higher realms of consciousness. May you tread the path of self-discovery with courage, grace, and profound wisdom, unraveling the mysteries of your karmic debts and forging a future illuminated by spiritual enlightenment. Some of you asked me for advice about generational debt. Indeed, it is possible for karmic debt to extend beyond individual lifetimes and manifest as generational patterns within families or lineages. The interconnected web of existence weaves intricate threads that bind us not only to our personal karmic lessons, but also to the collective experiences of our ancestors. When we speak of generational ancestral debt, we delve into the realm of inherited energies and unresolved issues that have been passed down through generations. These may manifest as recurring patterns, challenges, or imbalances within a family lineage, calling for healing and transformation. If you and your father both possess the karmic debt number 14, it may suggest a shared lesson or karmic theme that has been carried forward through your ancestral lineage. This numerical alignment serves as an opportunity for profound growth and healing, as you and your father have the potential to work together in unraveling and resolving this particular karmic debt. To address generational ancestral debt, I offer you the following guidance: awareness and reflection. Begin by cultivating a deep awareness of the patterns and challenges that have manifested within your family lineage. Reflect upon the experiences, behaviors, or belief systems that have been passed down through generations. By acknowledging and understanding these patterns, you gain insight into the underlying karmic debts that may be at play. Compassionate forgiveness. Extend compassion and forgiveness not only to yourself but also to your ancestors. Recognize that they, too, were bound by their own circumstances, limitations, and challenges. By forgiving the past and releasing any resentment or blame, you create space for healing and transformation to occur. Intergenerational healing. Engage in practices and rituals that promote intergenerational healing. This can include ancestral honoring ceremony, meditation, energy healing, or seeking the guidance of spiritual practitioners experienced in ancestral work. By consciously connecting with and honoring your ancestors, you open channels for healing and the transmutation of ancestral debts. Breaking the cycle. Embrace the opportunity to break free from the cycle of generational patterns. By consciously working on personal growth, self-awareness, and healing, you become a catalyst for change within your lineage. Seek to embody the lessons and virtues that counterbalance the karmic debt number 14, such as integrity, balance, and harmonious relationships. Through your own transformation, you pave the way for healing and liberation not only for yourself but also for future generations. Remember that you are not defined by the karmic debts of your ancestors. Rather, you are endowed with the power to transcend and transform those debts through conscious awareness, healing practices, and the cultivation of virtues that align with your highest self. Embrace this sacred opportunity to break free from the chains of generational ancestral debt, forging a path of healing, enlightenment, and liberation. May your journey be one of profound transformation, honoring the wisdom of your ancestors while creating a brighter future for yourself and generations yet to come. To liberate oneself from the repetitive cycles of karmic patterns requires a conscious and dedicated approach. Let us embark on this transformative journey together and explore some profound ways to end karmic patterns. Self-reflection and awareness. The first step towards breaking free from karmic patterns is to cultivate self-reflection and heightened awareness. Look deeply within yourself and observe the recurring themes, behaviors, or choices that seem to perpetuate the cycle. By shining the light of awareness upon these patterns, you gain clarity and understanding of their origins and impact on your life. Acceptance and responsibility. Embrace a mindset of acceptance and take responsibility for your role in perpetuating the karmic patterns. Recognize that you have the power to make different choices and break free from the limitations of the past. By acknowledging your part in the creation of these patterns, you empower yourself to create a different future. Healing and forgiveness. Engage in healing practices that allow you to release emotional wounds, traumas, and resentments associated with the karmic patterns. This includes forgiveness, both for yourself and others who may have played a part in the perpetuation of the patterns. By releasing the weight of past grievances, you create space for new possibilities and transformation. Conscious action and intention. Break the cycle by consciously choosing different actions and intentions. This requires a deep commitment to align your thoughts, words, and deeds with your highest values and aspirations. Actively seek to embody qualities that counterbalance the karmic patterns you wish to end. Through conscious and intentional choices, you pave the way for a new trajectory. Inner work and self-development. Engage in inner work, such as meditation, introspection, or therapy, to delve into the deeper layers of your being. Explore the subconscious beliefs, fears, and conditioning that may contribute to the perpetuation of karmic patterns. By unraveling and transforming these inner dynamics, you reclaim your power and open new pathways for growth and change. Gratitude and generosity. Cultivate a practice of gratitude and generosity in your life. By appreciating the blessings and lessons that each experience brings, you shift your perspective and invite abundance into your existence. Actively seek opportunities to extend kindness, compassion, and support to others, thus creating a positive ripple effect that transcends karmic limitations. Surrender and trust. Finally, surrender to the divine flow of life and trust in the wisdom of the universe. Let go of the need to control every outcome and instead have faith in the greater plan that unfolds. Trust that by actively working towards ending karmic patterns, you are aligning yourself with the forces of transformation and evolution. Now, ending karmic patterns requires perseverance, patience, and a deep commitment to your own growth and liberation. Embrace this sacred journey with courage and determination, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to a life free from the shackles of repetitive cycles. May your path be illuminated by wisdom, love, and the transformative power of your own consciousness. The Most High, the divine intelligence that permeates the fabric of the cosmos, orchestrates the intricate dance of our existence. Every soul's birth into a specific time, place, and family is divinely guided, holding within it a profound purpose and a beautiful lesson to be learned. The journey of life itself is a tapestry of experiences designed to facilitate our growth, evolution, and spiritual awakening. The circumstances we find ourselves in, the relationships we form, and the challenges we face are all integral parts of this grand design, carefully tailored to nurture the expansion of our consciousness. For some, enlightenment becomes the sacred destination, a state of profound awakening and union with the divine. It is a journey of self-realization, transcending the illusions of the ego and recognizing our true nature as spiritual beings. For others, the lesson may be one of compassion, forgiveness, or self-discovery. It may be an opportunity to cultivate virtues such as patience, courage, or gratitude. Each soul's unique path holds a specific purpose, suited to the lessons and growth required for its individual evolution. It is through the crucible of life's experiences, with all its triumphs and tribulations, that we uncover the hidden gems of wisdom and embrace the truth of our interconnectedness. We learn to navigate the ebb and flow of existence, discovering the infinite wellspring of love and light that resides within us. In this intricate dance of life, we are invited to awaken to our own divinity, to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings, and to contribute to the collective tapestry of humanity's spiritual evolution. Remember that your birth into this world is not a random occurrence but a deliberate choice made by the Most High. Embrace your journey with open arms, surrendering to the wisdom of the divine plan. Trust that even in the face of challenges and uncertainties, there is a sacred purpose unfolding, and within you lies the power to transcend, grow, and awaken to the magnificence of your true self. May you walk this path of self-discovery and spiritual awakening with grace, love, and unwavering faith in the divine guidance that surrounds you. May you embrace the beautiful lessons that life presents and radiate your inner light for the betterment of yourself and all of creation. Let's move a little bit deeper. What happens when you end a karmic cycle? When you successfully end a karmic cycle, a profound transformation occurs within your being and in the trajectory of your life's journey. Let us explore the wondrous unfoldment that takes place when a karmic cycle reaches its completion. Liberation and freedom. Ending a karmic cycle brings about a sense of liberation and freedom. The repetitive patterns and limitations that once bound you begin to dissolve, allowing you to break free from the chains of the past. You experience a newfound sense of lightness as the burdens of unresolved karma are released, granting you the opportunity to embrace a life of expanded possibilities. Inner healing and integration. Ending a karmic cycle involves deep inner healing and integration. You have gained wisdom, insights, and self-awareness through the lessons presented by the cycle. By consciously working through the challenges, you have healed wounds, transformed limiting beliefs, and resolved past imbalances. This healing process allows you to integrate the lessons and energies of the cycle, fostering greater self-realization and wholeness. Shift in consciousness. The completion of a karmic cycle often coincides with a profound shift in consciousness. Your perspective expands, and you gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. You recognize that you are the co-creator of your reality, and that your choices have the power to shape your destiny. This heightened awareness enables you to navigate life with greater clarity, purpose, and alignment with your true self. Manifestation of new opportunities. As you transcend a karmic cycle, new doors and opportunities begin to open before you. By releasing old patterns and aligning with higher vibrational frequency, you become a magnet for positive experiences, relationships, and circumstances that are in resonance with your soul's growth. You step into a realm of manifestation where your intentions manifest more effortlessly and in alignment with your highest good. Soul evolution and growth. Ending a karmic cycle propels you forward on your journey of soul evolution and growth. You have gained invaluable lessons and wisdom from the challenges you faced, which serve as stepping stones to higher levels of consciousness. Your soul expands, and you continue to evolve, embracing new experiences and lessons that align with your soul's purpose and the fulfillment of your highest potential. Harmonious relationships and connections. As you break free from the karmic patterns that once shaped your relationships, you enter into a new phase of connection and harmony. Your relationships become more authentic, nourishing, and aligned with your soul's evolution. You attract individuals who resonate with your elevated state of being, fostering deeper connections and shared growth. Greater service and contribution. With the ending of a karmic cycle, you awaken to your inherent power and the desire to serve the greater good. The lessons and experiences you have integrated become valuable tools that you can use to uplift and inspire others. Your journey becomes a catalyst for positive change and the embodiment of love, compassion, and wisdom in the world. If you made it this far, listen carefully. The ending of a karmic cycle is a significant milestone on your spiritual path. It heralds a new chapter in your life, brimming with possibilities for growth, joy, and profound self-realization. Embrace this transformative journey with open arms, knowing that you have the power to shape your destiny and create a life that aligns with the highest expression of your soul. In the depths of your being, a sacred flame of transformation burns brightly, urging you to step into your true power and liberate yourself from the chains of repetitive patterns. Hear the call of the universe, for it beckons you towards oneness, a recognition of your interconnectedness with all of creation. Embrace this profound truth and know that as you embark on the journey of ending karmic cycle, you align yourself with the expansive tapestry of higher consciousness. The key lies in breaking free from the shackles of the past, releasing the grip of old wounds and stagnant energies. Embrace the beauty of the present moment, for it holds within it the seeds of transformation. Rise above the repetition, for you possess the power to change the course of your life by changing your habits. Choose consciously, with unwavering intention, to embody the qualities and actions that resonate with your soul's evolution. Embrace the wisdom of oneness, for it is through this profound understanding that you liberate yourself from the limitations of separation. Recognize that your journey is intricately woven with the journeys of others, and as you embark on the path of ending karmic cycles, you contribute to the collective awakening. Your transformation becomes a ripple in the cosmic ocean, catalyzing the evolution of consciousness for all. With each conscious choice, each shift in perspective, you pave the way for a higher consciousness to emerge. Embrace the transformative power of your habits, for they shape your reality. Release the ones that no longer serve your growth and well-being, and embrace new habits that nourish your soul and expand your awareness. Through consistent dedication, you transcend the limitations of old patterns, stepping into the vast expanse of your true potential. As you navigate the sacred path of ending karmic cycles, remember that you are not alone. The universe supports you, guiding you with signs, synchronicity, and the whispers of your own intuition. Trust in the divine plan and trust in yourself. Embrace the journey with unwavering faith, knowing that each step taken towards ending karmic cycles brings you closer to a life of freedom, joy, and profound spiritual fulfillment. You are the catalyst for change, the bearer of light, and the embodiment of higher consciousness. Embrace this truth and let it ignite the fire within your soul. The time is now, and the power is within you. May your journey be blessed with courage, resilience, and the unwavering knowing that you are transforming not only your own life, but the very fabric of the cosmos itself. With boundless love and support, be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.